Yep. Hello, we know this is a recipe for shrimp pickle. So, ഇവിടെ നോക്കുക. You need കടുക്, you need ഉലുവ, കായം, ഉലുവ ഇപ്പിടിയ. Then you need some kind of achar from store. Olive oil or some kind of oil, garlic paste. This is special vinegar we use for that thing. This is red wine vinegar, chopped onions, garlic, salt. This you can get from Costco, right? Yep. And then you need a tawa. Get a tawa from Costco. We are selling for Costco. You have this one shrimp here. Sample. This is a tomato, and this looks like a chili. You can have 5 of this, 5 or 6, and some karvepilla. All Malayalis know this. And inchi, you will become, if you kadik it, you will become like a kuranga.
Like this.
Okay, what do you have to do? Okay, let me go for my recipe. Okay, first of all, take the shrimp, wash it, and then use this garlic salt. And തിരുമ്മി അവിടെ വെക്കുക. അതൊരു ഇച്ചിരി പിടിക്കട്ടെ. Marinate. Oh yes.
That's the name.
Marinate. എന്നിട്ട് 5 പച്ചമുളക് എടുക്കുക. തീർച്ചയായും എണ്ണിയിരിക്കണം. Then you take a little bit more inchi. If you use 2 packs of shrimp, take more. All of this more.
Start with 1 pack.
Start with 1 pack.
Yes.
And then onions. You have garlic paste here, or you can use garlic. And then tomato.
Not half. That's all we have.
We have only
for
half.
now.
Then put it in a blender and then make it like a paste. Set it aside. Then തോന്നുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഭാര്യയെ പറഞ്ഞു വേണം മേടിക്കാൻ അല്ലേ?
Nice try.
Okay, put the vinegar in the pan.
What? You put vinegar first?
Okay, then put some oil in the pan
Yes.
first. Put some kadig in the thing.
Yes.
Potik. Kadig potik. Let it splatter all over the place.
Make sure some stays in the pan.
Some stays in the pan. And then you can add the vinegar, uppa, kayam.
Wait a minute. What happened to the uli and...
That is set aside. We're going to add it later.
Oh, okay.
And then you put half spoon of luwa. And then put it like, salt it like little bit. And then add this thing. Whatever you put it in the blender.
Oh, the mixture. Okay.
And then paste it. You paste it and taste it. And you can put some up in there. And then set it aside. See, everybody is sleeping. Otherwise there will be no shrimp curry. Everybody will taste it. Nothing is going to happen.
Okay, make sure the kids are sleeping when you start cooking.
Yes. Then put it in another tawa, a little bit oil, and then put the shrimp in there. It's already with this thing, garlic salt. So you already salted it out.
Cook the shrimp
For 6 minutes or 7 minutes, a little bit.
The water, when all the water comes out?
Not too
Drain
much.
it, right?
Yep.
Drain the shrimp.
Yeah, that's before that.
Oh wait, I think when it turns the when
Color.
it turns the color,
Yeah.
you take it out,
You
strain it.
strain it. Use the female spoon.
Yes. A male spoon, no holes. Female
is
spoon has
all
holes.
Okay, then set it aside. Now you bring the first tawa in, which all has the paste and all the mixed together. Put the shrimp in there and put it for like 3 minutes. Boil it. Avi. And then don't taste it, just taste olive oil. And then let it simmer in for a while. Don't put the flame out, a little bit, and then cut it off after 4 or 5 minutes. That's it. And then you transfer into the kupi with
When do you add the shrimp?
I did already add the shrimp.
Okay.
And it is cooking for 4 minutes. Now
4
you
minutes.
transfer everything into the kupi.
So before the shrimp was cooking for 6 minutes in the pot.
I forgot to add the karvepila, right?
Oh yeah, you have to add the karvepila.
It was done when it was...
When you kadugu.
When you put the kadugu.
Yeah, when you put it the kadugu.
And then when you transfer into the kupi, you need to put some vinegar on the top and olive oil in the top. And that's it. Hopefully.
And you smile.